The House and Senate remain at odds with each other on when to launch the impeachment trial on Vice President Sara Duterte. The House is putting the squeeze on the Senate to act in accordance with the Charter's provision on conducting an impeachment trial, while the Senate insists on its timeline after the president's SONA in late July. Meanwhile, House leaders are pushing back on their colleagues, calling for presidential intervention to order the Senate to convene for obvious reasons.
Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Chua, one of the members of the 11-man House prosecution panel, asserted that the House of Representatives has done its part and now the ball is in the hands of the Senate on the impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte. This, he said, following the call of some groups to start the trial immediately during the commemoration of the EDSA People Power Revolution anniversary. According to Chua, a special session is not necessary for this. He stated that the Senate can convene as an impeachment court at any time, even during session break.
Wala pong kinalaman dito Malacanang eh. Ang impeachment po ay trabaho po ng Senado at trabaho po ng Kongreso. So wala naman po sa batas natin na sinasabi na kailangan na ito ay itawag ng Malacanang ng special session. Ito ay sui generis, ibig sabihin namumukod-tangi. Kaya po sa akin pong paniniwala, ang Senado ay po pwede na pong magpatuloy para po ituloy ang impeachment proceeding.
Other House impeachment prosecutors also agree, like San Juan City Representative Isabel Zamora and One Rider Party List Representative Rog Gutierrez. Earlier, the Makabayan Bloc called on President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to convene a special session, which drew pushback from some House leaders.
I disagree in this case, with the position of the Makabayan Bloc. Baka sabihin naman ng mga kritik na yan, kritiko ng ating pamahalaan, na pag ang presidente ang mag-request ng special session, baka sabihin nila it would translate into influencing the senator judges at baka sabihin naman nila ito'y political move.
Maraming opinion, maraming iba't ibang opinion coming from different sides, pro or anti, yung mga legal opinion. Nasa Senado po yung bola. Nasa sa kanila kung isushoot or ipapasa.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has also ordered the House of Representatives to comment on the petition filed by Vice President Duterte questioning her impeachment. Although the congressmen are still waiting for a copy of the SC order, they have expressed readiness to comply. Melalas Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.